Hi, my gardening angels. For my United States followers, happy Thanksgiving. I know 2020 has been a year of a lot of unknowns that caused fear and anxiety, and maybe also a year of heartache if you lost someone special to you. I know for a lot of people, they have been struggling this year to find out what they are thankful for. I just wanted to encourage everyone to do this, but especially if you are struggling to find the good from over this year, I would encourage you to make a list, write it down, make an actual physical list that you can add to over the next few weeks of things that you are thankful for this past year. Maybe that was getting to play more with your dog when you were in quarantine, or maybe you got to pick up more of your hobbies. Whatever it is, no matter how small, start writing down your list. When we are struggling to find the good, sometimes being able to see a physical list of all of the blessings from this past year make it a little bit easier to be thankful. One fun idea is that my mom has a Sharpie next to a pumpkin that sits as part of her table centerpiece in the fall. And throughout the fall season, everyone writes on the pumpkin something that they're thankful for. And us as kids just kind of add to it over the fall season whenever we think of new things. And then come Thanksgiving, we have this entire pumpkin of this accumulation of everything that we've been thankful for. And it just kind of gives us a nice, ending to the year. As part of my own list of things that I'm thankful for, I just wanted to say that I'm really thankful for my viewers, as it has been so much fun making connections with people from all over the world through this channel. I love reading about your pets, your gardening successes, and also your gardening failures, which is definitely part of gardening, and that's truly the only way to learn, in my opinion. I learned so much about gardening through my viewers, and I'm inspired to try new fun things. The purpose of this channel really has been to inspire and teach others how to garden. I love reading your comments about if something worked or if you're going to try a new technique. Thank you for being so supportive and honest. I truly wish you a happy holiday season and hope that you cherish the time you get to spend together. As part of my thanks and, as part of the Thanksgiving spirit, I just wanted to show you this little succulent Thanksgiving cornucopia using cuttings from my propagations. I used sphagnum moss and hot glue. Don't worry, the hot glue won't hurt the succulents. They'll be fine. But I thought this would be just a cute little way to kind of celebrate the holiday. Now go eat some fun turkey, and I will see you guys in the next video.